Hi, it's Estella with Home with Estella, and today we will be making a delicious yet simple chocolate cake. You don't need a mixer, all you need is a bowl and a pretty whisk. And believe it or not, this chocolate cake does not include eggs or milk. But trust me, it's still very delicious, so stick around and let's make a chocolate cake. Okay, so let's get started. You can find the exact measurements in my description, and here we go. We need flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, sugar. Or give it a good stir so that all your dry ingredients are mixed. Here's my trusty plate. That's it. Now we incorporate all our wet ingredients, and let's start with water, and this is 1.25 cups. Vanilla and oil. Told you it was going to be simple. I am all about simple recipes because you know what? I can make them during the week, and I almost always have everything I need to make this cake. And this right here is the longest part of the process. Whisking all your ingredients together until they're all wet, and you'll see a dry spot in here. And this takes the longest. See, right now it's lumpy. This is exactly what you don't want your batter to look like. So take about 5 minutes and whisk until your batter is nice and smooth, like this. See, you can pick it up with your whisk and it just gently falls back. This is what you want your cake batter to look like. Also, you would think I'm sponsored by Trader Joe's, right? But no, I'm not. But I have to tell you about this chocolate. I absolutely love it. And although chocolate chips are a little harder to use, you have the option of either chopping them up or using them whole. So this is what it looks like after it's been chopped. Remember, this will give you a smoother, richer cake. So you don't want to whisk it. I know it's tempting, but avoid it. So just gently fold it in. Just remember that baking is an art. Cake pan is ready, and now we are ready to pour our chocolate cake into our prepared cake pan. And it's ready to go into the oven. I am back. The timer just went off and the cake is ready, so let's check it out. Oh, it's so pretty. The cake is completely cool, and now it's time to decorate. There you go, moment of truth. Let's flip our cake. See how easy it comes off? Oh, I love it. So pretty. I love how easy it came off the cake pan. So pretty. Valentine's is around the corner, so I thought it would be really cute to add a little heart to the cake. And this is very simple. I just grabbed a piece of paper, cut out a heart shape, and have some powdered sugar here. And now we are going to dust it. Okay. So wish me luck. I don't want to cover what I'm doing with my hand so that you can see what I'm doing. And this cake really doesn't need a lot. It's just perfect the way it is. So when you pick up the heart, be very careful that you don't get any of that sugar on the rest of the cake. I know, not the prettiest thing, but I think it would be easier than to... Ah, yay, it worked! Look at that! Isn't this so pretty? This is the other thing I did. That I cut strawberries, and I just cut them in half because you know what? I actually like holding a strawberry as I eat it. And so these are strawberries that I cut in half, and I'm going to cut a piece of cake so that you can see what it looks like. It's simple to make, and you can just decorate it. And it's very easy and it looks very pretty. I'm very proud of this. Yay! Okay, let's cut into it. No, the middle. And with pretty strawberries. And so this cake doesn't need a lot. And I think the powdered sugar is going to be good. You don't need jam or anything else. The peanut butter frosting with this recipe is amazing. And on another occasion, I'm going to teach you to do that because you have to experience that chocolate cake or this chocolate cake with that peanut butter frosting. So here we go. Look at this. Happy jams. Love it.